Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to create and post Facebook Reels. Yes, Facebook Reels. And for those who are wondering, oh, it's meant to be Instagram Reels. No, I mean Facebook Reels. I'll show you step by step how to do this in the easiest way possible. Now, the very first thing you have to do obviously is to make sure that you like this video, because it's going to be an amazing video, and also subscribe to the channel, because yes, it's where I make reviews and your support means a lot to me. And then jumping into the video, guys, the very first thing you have to do, or the next thing you have to do, is to make sure you have a Facebook account. And once you have that, you're able to sign in. You should have a display looking like mine right here. As you can see, this is the news feeds page right here. So once you have this page running here, you have two options here at the top. Here it says here stories. It says stories, and it also says reels. So we'll be dealing with the part that says reels. So click on where it says reels, click right there. Once you click there, what you get should be this display looking like this. The next thing you do is let's have a look at some reels that are here first of all, before we can make our own reel. I'm going to show you how to do it, so don't worry. Yes, the first thing you do is, or the next thing you do rather, is you can see the reels right here. They're all displayed this way. You can choose any of the reels, and let's see how it looks. So let's go into the more. It says see more reels and short videos. Let's go right there. You can see these are all reels. As you can see, these are all reels. So we'll be making our own Facebook reel in this video, and I will show you how to upload it. So you can, by scrolling up, you can see more and more reels. You can see more and more reels. You see more and more reels. There you go. So that's these are Facebook reels, as you can see. So we're making our own in this video. So stay tuned, guys. I'll show you step by step on how to do this, so you don't have to worry at all. Right, so the very first thing you do, guys, let's go back to the page, the Facebook page right here, and then let's make our reel. So what you do is you scroll on this part here, on this part where we are right here. You scroll this way, okay? You scroll that way, and we scroll to see more reels, and we scroll to the extreme left, and we can see here it says create reel. That's where you click create reel, and it shows you various, it shows you camera, music, green screen here, it shows you effects here, and you're able to go to your camera and you allow access obviously, and then you start recording on your video, after which you can post it. Yes, it shows you various options here which you can decide to choose if you want to. For instance, it shows you here the music button here. It's like you're posting on TikTok, but now it's on Facebook. Here you have the timer, you have the timer right here, you have various effects right here, you have various settings. So you have a green screen effect right here to add to your video. So it's just what you can do to create Facebook reels. It's like you're on TikTok but now on Facebook. It's about the same thing. So make sure before you start, you have to allow access obviously, and then you start recording, after which you can now post it, or you can also twist your camera this way with this button right here and record using your front facing camera. If you have videos already that you want to post as a Facebook reel, what you can do is to go into your gallery, which is right here, and then you choose the video that you would like to post. For instance, let's say I wanted to post a video on reels on Facebook. What I'll do is simply to go to here, just go to where I said here, you go right there, and then you can post your pre-recorded video. It's going to take you to your gallery, and then you post it right there. So that's how you make a Facebook reel. And I hope this video was helpful, guys. It's really easy to do. So if you have any questions, please enter your questions in the comment section, and I shall address your questions as they come very easily, guys. So thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I shall see you in my next video. Alright guys, it's a wrap. Bye for now.